Instagram affiliate marketing. Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing on Instagram. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you don't have Digistore24 account, I'll drop a tutorial link in the description box. You can watch it and create your own account, all right? And to show you quick, this is the home page of Digistore24. Now let's get into the video. I've logged in already. Alright, so when you log in into your account, you're going to have to click Marketplace. And today we're going to promote something from internet marketing and e-business. But of course, we have other niches. We have the animal and pets, betting, business investment, education, and all that. Okay, so you just have to select whatever fits your niche. Okay, but today I'm going to promote something from internet and e-business. Promote tube mastery and monetization by MathPower. Let's check the sales page because you need to know where you are sending your customers to. This is the sales page. Really nice and clean. All right. So let's go back. This is the affiliate page. Let's close this. So let's go back. So what we have to do next is to copy the affiliate link. You don't see the blue button, but normally it's gonna look like this. So when you click on it, it's gonna be something like that. All right. So right click and copy. Go to bit.ly and shorten it. All right. So I'll show you. So go to bit.ly. Okay, so if you want to keep proper record of your links, you just have to create an account and it's free. They have a pro version, but you don't need that. I mean, for beginners, you can use the free version, but if you want a pro version, it's available. What you have to do next, you just scroll down. So you're going to drop your link here and you click shorten. So like you see here, so for instance, this is gonna be your link. It's gonna be a bit long, even longer than this, but when you shorten it, it's gonna be something simple like this. Okay, then you're gonna use that one. But if you want to create an account just so you have a proper record, I'll show you. I'll log into my account and I'll show you that as well. Alright, so now I'm inside my bit.ly. So what I have to do next, click on create, drop the link, control. So link has been generated, but you can customize it by taking off this. I'll call it, let's see if it's available. That means somebody has this custom name already. So what I'll do, I'll just change it. Let's see this one. Yeah, okay, so this one works. So this is the link I'll be promoting on Instagram. So what I'll do, I'll click on copy. Now I have a proper system here that will check everything. So n_YouTube money, that will be my link. All right, so now let's go back to Instagram. Alright, so you cannot use your desktop version to post image or anything on Instagram. So what you need to do, right click, click on inspect, click on toggle toolbar, refresh. So now we have the mobile version. So now I'm gonna close this. We need to post. So to do so, you click on the plus sign down here. So if you have something, you're gonna post it. So I'm gonna go to the link. Alright, so you know the link that we copied from bit.ly. This is where you're gonna drop the link, which I believe you should know already. If not, you're gonna go to edit, then you're gonna drop your link here. Then when you're done, you're gonna have to save it. So let me go back. Listen to this advice. The best way to make money with this method is to keep one product or one niche and go hard on it. So let's say I'll be promoting this product. So how to run different YouTube channels and make money with affiliate marketing on it. Okay. Everything that you will be posting from now on should relate to this product. So about how to run successful YouTube account. For you to get content, you just have to come to the page and scroll and just check what's going on. So let's go back and I'll show you something. So go back to create a content image like this. All right, so listen to this advice. Video marketing is the best way to go. Okay? Not to say that images like this will not work. It's gonna work, but the best is to mix it. All right, so as you can see, I have image and this one is video. All right, so to create these images or this video, I'll show you quick. So you go to Canva. So Canva, click on the search engine and you type in Instagram. Okay, I'll click on Instagram post. All right, so then you click on create with blank. If you want video, you can go here like this. And let's say if I want this, I can drop it here. I'll show you how to create an image instead of video in a sec. So you're gonna click on this. Okay, all right, edit this text to whatever you want. So when you are done, then you change the title, you click here, then you click download. Okay, and make sure it's MP4. So you go back because we don't want this. Go back, go back, go back. I don't want this, so I'll use image instead. So I'll go back. So if you want any images, let's say you want this image, you have to drag it and drop it here, but make sure it's free, okay? Because some of the stuff are not free. So let's say you want something about YouTube, okay? YouTube, then you click on it. See? So it's gonna give you everything to do with YouTube, all right? So let's say I want to add this. Click on it. So click on it. All right, so move it up. So click here and delete this text. So don't click on delete group, click delete element. Right? If you click delete group, it's gonna delete everything. So for instance, if I click delete group, see everything is gone. But don't worry, I'll just do back and it's back again. Go back and delete this. Okay, so now I'll say what is it? All right, so now this is the message, but like I said, please try and rephrase this. You cannot copy exactly what is on this page. You can't do that. That's not good. Okay, so go back. But I'm just showing you for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, so because I put this text here, by default it's using it, so you can change it to suit whatever you want. Then when everything is done and set, just click on download here. Okay, so everything is downloading, so it's done. Then you go back to your Instagram everything that I'm showing, you can do it on the mobile version, okay? And also I have tutorials on Canva. If you don't know how to use it, I have tutorials on it, okay? So don't worry much. I'll drop the links in the description box. But it's better to do this on the mobile. The desktop version, it doesn't work really good. So I would advise you to do this on your mobile, okay? All right, so once you upload it, it's gonna show up here, and I'll show you something. For example, all right, so once it shows up, then you click on post. The best is to use landing page so you can capture email addresses, then you can follow up, all right, because most of the people don't buy offers when they first see it. You have to be consistent because one post cannot cut it, okay? So you have to be consistent. At least post 3 times a day. Also try and follow people who are in the same niche. So for example, click on search, click here and type YouTube, enter. So you see all these people. So you come down here, all right? See how he has his stuff. Sometimes you can go inside his system and you just repost whatever he has, but make sure you give him credit. Everything YouTube and the product that is promoting. Okay, so this is how you do it. You just keep promoting the same thing. All right. All right. So you can check the people who are following him. Click on it. They are all interested in his product. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just follow all these people. So whenever you post something, you have more eyeballs on your post. Also, you can DM them. Let's go back home. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.